A new day, a new road trip. Today from Calvi to Porto. Yeah. So we took it easy because this morning was rainy. First rain of the trip.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was pouring at some point. It's nice, it a bit cleaned the car outside. So after a whole day full of adventure, it's 7:25 p.m. and Tina is completely dead. I was talking to her about doing this vlog and she was already falling asleep. So from Calvi to Porto, we made the first stop at Ponte Vecchiu, early morning. I just went out, it was really bad weather, though the old bridge looks really nice, but not another condition we had. And it's right on the side of the road, so it's a cool thing to see. It's really on the way. And so I just went to see Ponte Vecchiu, went alone, and Tina and Milo stayed in the car. Passage, look! And from there we went straight to Porto and just made a few stops on the side of the road to admire some viewpoints. As always, the road was really scenic, really curvy, and a few times Tina, as it was Tina driving, we had some complication, like crossing on those narrow road, like some mobile home camping car. Wow, it's like by the millimeter, like she managed to pass. Was looking on the side to see if we were touching or not, but all good.
Want to say good job, Tina?
Good job, Tina. Yeah. And then slowly, we started driving, and then we saw the beautiful Gulf of Porto. It's super nice. Basically, wherever we are driving, it's super scenic. There's always a bit the ocean, the mountains. Honestly, it's a blast to drive here. And then we made it to Porto. There we parked in the city center. It's a super small town, maybe it's even a village. It's really small. We parked, we walked a bit around town. We went for lunch. We found a nice crepe restaurant. It was a beautiful view over the port. It was really nice at that point. The weather was quite nice, super hot. And
we didn't eat crab, we ate crepes.
Yeah, so we eat crepes. Crepe? Very crepe. Now with the French accent, it gives the touch of in the vlog, And after that, in the afternoon, we had planned a boat tour to go around Gulf of Porto. To go towards Piana, Caporosso, the Scandola Reserve, and then Girolata. We should have taken the 2:15 p.m. boat. We opted for that one because it was a 38 seat boat, so we were thinking it would be more comfortable than smaller boat. Unfortunately, we had only people register for that ride, so they put us on the smaller boat that was leaving at 1:30 without charging us more. So we were a small group, 14 people on the small boat. It was quite nice. We got good and bad weather along the way. A huge shower at the moment was super nice. All of a sudden it came and it poured like the sky was falling on Earth. And then we went around, like it was really nice. Like the guy, the captain driving the boat was explaining what it was, the type of rock and everything. And what was amazing is that the Scandola Natural Reserve, actually, it's a volcano crater. Yes, it's one part of a volcano crater, the other part being in France mainland and the rest underwater. It was a prehistoric volcano. It's impressive. It's really nice to see. And the only way to actually see the Scandola Natural Reserve is by boat. It's completely forbidden to walk or hike or do anything on land. And on the way back, the little town of Girolata, which is not a fisherman village, which originally was for pirates. Then it became a shepherd village, and only in the 1960s, so quite not too long ago, it became a fisherman village. So yeah, it's a cute little village. There are not a lot of things there. 30 people.
Permanent, I could.
Yeah, 30, yeah. And then 100 apparently in the high season. So, and it's small. The only way to get there is either by boat or by the Postman Trail, which is 3 to 4 hour hike to the main road and then 45-minute drive to port. And then and once back, still walked a little bit in Porto, had a 2-hour accommodation, bought some food along the way. Yep. And that was the end of today. Next day, new room. We even have the ocean view. Okay. Really decent bathroom. Nice. Dinner time.